Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to install a texture skin for FSX Default Aircraft. So if you just download a skin from Simviation or anywhere, I'm going to use this Iberia 747 as an example for today. So when it comes up, just click save to your desktop so you know where it's going. Okay, so once you've got the 7.4 or any sort of download on your desktop, as you can see mine's over here, you need to create a temporary folder. So you right click on the screen, click on new, click on folder, and we'll just call it temp1 for today, and you double click on the downloaded icon, and then you want to extract it into the temporary folder as I've called temp1. Okay, so it's extracted now, and if we open that temporary folder, you'll be able to see texture.ib, the install text, and a thumbnail. Okay, so what you need to do now is go into your C drive, program files, basically try and find the root of your FSX. They'll be under Microsoft Games. You just double click on there, open it up, and you'll scroll down through the folders and find Sim Objects. Okay, you double click on aeroplanes. If it's a 747 skin for the default you're installing, you need to find the 747 folder, which is here. Okay, so the texture dot icon needs to be picked up and dropped into the 747. Next thing we need to do is install the text. Okay, so if you go into temporary folder where you've extracted the download into, double click on the readme or text folder. From the brackets where you've got flightsim.xx, you need to highlight all of that, and then right click, copy that. You can then close the notepad, and you can close the temporary folder as well. Okay, what you need to do now is open the 747 folder, scroll down until you can find a folder which says aircraft.cfg. In some cases it may just say aircraft. If you double click on there, it'll open another notepad up. As you can see, the top one is flightsim.0. You need to find the last one, so 1, 2. If you scroll all the way down, and in my case my last one is flightsim 19. You should be able to tell it's the last one, as the next one down here says general. So if you just make a little gap there, right click and paste the stuff that you just copied. Okay, the last thing you need to do is, the last one is flightsim.19. You need to change this XX to flightsim.20, as the one before is 19, so you need to keep it in sequence, so it's flightsim.20, and you go file and save.